Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to create this intrigue and really cool perspective text on Canva. So I'm using my PC here. So I don't know how to do it on mobile version, but it's supposed to be similar method. So what you have to do, you open your Canva. So I will repeat the process for you. I will duplicate the page and delete this perspective text. What you have to do, you open these apps and then you type in for Typecraft. This is the apps that will plug in into your Canva, and then just click this one until it's shown on the left corner of your Canva here. So for instance, I will create some perspective road, and then you're able to change the font. I will find some bold font, for instance this one, AB. That's cool fonts, and then I will change the color. You can change the color. I will make it green to make it fresh for you. Nice. So as you can see, all of these are nodes. These nodes is able to change the perspective. So I will change nodes to to follow the perspective picture like this. As you can see, the road is on the top is on a horizontal line, and on this one is line on 45 degrees, perhaps. So I will leave it on the top nodes like this, and then I will enlarge at the first nodes on the bottom, and then I will make it on the middle like this to make it balanced, and I will change the angle, make it straight instead of curvy or curly like this. Wow, it's cool. So I will add to the design, and then as you can see, I have this perspective road text. It's really cool. Follow the line of the road. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's useful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.